Mounting countertop receptacles under wall cabinets is possible, although not a common practice. Legality depends on local building codes. In some areas, mounting electrical outlets directly under flammable materials like wood cabinets may be prohibited. However, certain types of specially designed and approved under cabinet receptacles may be allowed. Feasibility involves several considerations. To ensure safety, the electrical wiring and outlets must be properly installed and protected from potential damage or heat. The cabinets must be installed with sufficient clearance to accommodate the under-counter receptacles. Special under-cabinet receptacles are available that are designed to be flush-mounted and provide a concealed appearance. Enhanced aesthetics are benefits of concealing the countertop outlets under cabinets, which can create a more streamlined and aesthetically pleasing look. When needed, the outlets are still readily accessible by simply opening the cabinet doors. Drawbacks include safety concerns. If not properly installed, under-cabinet receptacles could pose a fire hazard. The choice of under-cabinet receptacles is more limited compared to traditional countertop outlets. Some under-cabinet outlets may require the use of special plugs or adapters. Recommendations include consulting with a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and safety regulations. The electrician can also provide guidance on appropriate under-cabinet receptacles and ensure their proper installation.